Is your bathroom a mess?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing 10 budget-friendly hacks that will not only declutter your bathroom, but it will also turn it into an oasis that you will love. Bathroom is where we start and end our days, and it's where we go to unwind and recharge. Organized bathroom can actually make us feel more relaxed, and we're gonna do some unboxing. I'm excited to show you behind the scenes as usual. Stick around to discover my secret tip to a spa-like bathroom, and hopefully it'll motivate you to tackle your own space or sit back and relax.
Everything will be on my Amazon link in the description box below. I'll start from organizing my bottom cabinets. Under the sink area is always awkward.
I got these 2-tier racks that will fit perfectly under the sink. I got the pull-out drawers so you can see everything, and it's convenient to just pull and pull out your items. And it comes with a silicone pad so that way it stays in one place. The things that I'm not using that often, I keep it in like a storage box like this on the back, because these are things that I probably don't need for a while. If you use hot tools just like hairdryer, curling irons, or straighteners or more, to prevent damage to other accessories item, I use this hair tool organizer. It comes with 3 stainless steel cups to safely store and organize your hair product. Like, big baskets are great for organizing, especially for toilet paper. This one fits right under the sink.
A long bath mat will give your bathroom a more elegant look.
Another trick that could make a bathroom feel more luxurious is if you have a foamy hand soap pump. So this pump creates foams, which will save you hundreds of dollars. Just one pump be enough for a thorough hand wash. And you can DIY the soap, or you can buy already pre-made foam soap. So a DIY foam soap is very easy. It's just 1 part soap and 3-part water.
This mouthwash dispenser set offers a well-designed black stainless steel self-closing pour spouts and can be used for a long time. It will automatically close after each use, no dripping, stable structure. If you put your items on a tray, it'll instantly make it look more luxurious. A great idea would be to keep both white and dark towels in your bathroom, so if you need to wipe your makeup off, use the dark towels, that way you don't stain your white towels.
So for bath time, I use this tray for my bathtub. This fits to almost every size bathtub. It includes a matching bamboo soap dish, face cloth, exfoliating gloves. It does come in different colors. Filtering out heavy metal and contamination from your water can improve your skin condition. If you've seen my previous video, I talk about the importance of filtering your water. So I use these water filters for the bathtub. So for my romantic mood, of course, I can light candles, but if you're allergic to candles or wax or sensitive to the smell, I have this Galaxy lighting. I'm gonna show you later. It's very cool. It sets the mood. It could be for any occasion. It has 8 different settings, different lighting for it, and I'm so excited to show you this. So an alternative is just frameless candles. It doesn't have to be this small, but I love these. It's frameless. There's no risk of burning. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also check out my other videos about organizing on this playlist about home improvements. See you next time.